Now let us see working of potentiometer and its principle here. So now say what is potentiometer? So potentiometer is actually considered an ideal voltmeter which can be used to measure EMF of the cell very accurately. Now let us see how does it work. See here in potentiometer, a wire is taken of uniform cross section area and made of mainly manganese or constantan. This wire may be of 1 meter or the more than 1 meter. So here usually in the lab you are going to use the wire of the 4 meter. So I am taking the wire of 4 meter. So this is here wire of 4 meter like this. These are the ends here, the wire is from here to here is 1 meter, then it is joined with the copper strip to the another wire of the 1 meter, again is here copper strip here, here and here, and again this wire is 1 meter, then this is 1 meter. The total length of the wire is 4 meter, that is the 400 centimeter. Now this end of the potentiometer first is connected to here rheostat, which is used to control the current flowing through this potentiometer wire. There is switch K1, then we connect here an ammeter and then we connect a cell here of some EMF. This cell is called driver cell of EMF E. Now at this point the potential is maximum, and now at this point is also here the potential. Across this wire as you go the current flows and there is potential, fall in potential. Suppose you have taken a voltmeter here, another end of the voltmeter is connected to the jockey which can be made to touch on this wire, and suppose this jockey is touching here this point and the reading shown by the voltmeter is noted here. Suppose this length is, this is end A and this is the end B, and this length is suppose L. So this wire AJ has got some resistance and this length is L, and as you put the jockey over here you will see there is difference in the reading of the voltmeter. Similarly, if you put over here there is a difference in the reading of the voltmeter. So as you keep on placing the jockey at the different places along the length, you will find the reading of the voltmeter is different. So I am taking here the jockey at this point L, this is a L meter away from the point A. So we can write here V is equal to IR, R is the resistance of the wire AJ, I is the current flowing through it. We can write V is equal to I rho L upon A. A is here area of cross section of this wire. This is small a is area of cross section of wire. L is the length and rho is the resistivity. If I, rho and A remains constant, then we can write V is proportional to L. So see here, if I, rho and area of cross section remains constant, then we can write it V is proportional to L, or we can write V is equal to KL, where K is equal to V upon L, that is known as potential gradient. So principle of potentiometer is actually here, the fall in the potential along the length of the wire is directly proportional to length, provided the wire has got the uniform cross section area and current flowing through this wire remains constant here. So this working or this is the principle of actually potentiometer. Now let us see where do we use potentiometer. Basically in the lab it is used for the two purposes. One is comparing EMF of the two cells and finding the internal resistance of the primary cell. So now let us discuss comparison of the EMF of two cells.